There are lots of people saying hellos and assalamualaikum. So today we have Mantaha with us,
Hello.
and आज हम मंतहा के साथ कुछ बहुत फिटनेस की बातें करेंगे. मंतहा, पहले तुम बताओ कि तुम्हारी कैसी, how is your quarantine routine? I would love to know about you.
Well, Farah, as you know, I did a couple of cooking videos with you as well, and
Yes.
like I have mentioned on my Insta, that you are so spot on trend. A long time back, we did a couple of salads together and stuff.
Yeah.
So actually, it was really appreciated, and I was getting a lot of requests at that time as well. That go ahead, we want to see you, we want some more recipes. So I have my YouTube channel that I have launched during this time, and I have been working on various projects because people have finally realized that prevention is better than cure. That we did not have a cure. We did not have a cure for this disease like COVID right now, right? So all we could do was say that please sanitize your hands, prevent yourself from getting the virus.
Yeah.
And in the same way, I mean, I think that my quarantine right now is taking time to repeat myself and endorse what I have been saying since the past 5 to 6 years. So, and people are actually listening right now, as opposed to 5 years back. So, well, health is becoming important, and I'm so glad to see this change. And it's not good what has happened, but it has made humankind realize that it's time to take a step and take care of your body. It's your temple.
बिल्कुल, डेफिनेटली, बिल्कुल मंता, तुम बिल्कुल सही कह रही हो, बिकॉज ये एक तरीके से एक लाइफस्टाइल चेंज हो गया है सबके लिए. If I can speak for myself, it's like a lifestyle change entirely, and I'm loving it also because आपकी हर चीज, people are cooking themselves, they've gone wherever, however they can go organic, they're taking all सारी preventions ले रहे हैं, and it's not just about हाथ धोना, it is all about other things also. हाथ धोना है सबसे बड़ी चीज, but उसके साथ और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं.
Yes,
so मंता, ये बताओ, बिल्कुल, तुम ये बताओ, तुम्हारी कुकिंग के पास तो हम आएंगे, बिकॉज एक जरा क्विक रेसिपी भी तुमसे मैंने लेनी है, एंड मुझे अपनी वैसे रूटीन के बारे में बताओ कि ड्यूरिंग द डे, हाउ इज इट फॉर मंतहा, like you wake up, do you have a daily routine of your exercise?
Farah, actually my team has scheduled for me a day before, so I have everything, like I've got plans on what to write today. I have plans on my live sessions that I'm doing, or I'm doing my online sessions which are going on. My online personal trainings are there as well, and there are a lot of corporates that have actually joined the bandwagon, and they have realized that instead of just having a health insurance for your employees, it's actually necessary to talk about wellness. And this is what they realized after this pandemic just happened. So people, fortunately or unfortunately, it's been quite busy. I wake up in the morning, I meditate for some time. I then check up my phone. I spend time with my husband, 15 to 20 minutes. We have coffee together, and he's busy with his work online, and I am working myself. Then I cook breakfast sometimes I have to write, so I kind of like get into that mode, then work out, and we've also this is it's good time to spend with your family as well.
Totally.
So things that you have not done before, like making a good playlist for your workouts, and also like making candles. I always wanted to try my hand on that. So
I was going to ask कि what is that one thing that you never did before, और वो तुमने किया अभी इस क्वारंटीन में, कोई ऐसी चीज है? So candles.
Yes. Candles, because like I heard about candles, which are not only soothing for yourself, but they're actually good for your inhalation and your skin. Therefore, it's whatever you have, like if you don't have good quality wax, then it's absolutely like secondhand smoking. So it's best that when you are using a candle in your bathroom for a good bath, when you're adding Himalayan salt or sea salt, also add some essential oils to kind of soothe your aching muscles from stress or physical exertion. And trust me, physical exertion now for a lot of people is something ideal. If you idle muscles twitch, they also get into this relaxation mode, and a lot of times they get so because lack of movement, it makes them unable to come back to life. You know, you need to work your nervous system, and you need to boost your immunity with movement. So yes, I mean, this is one thing
that's new.
And yeah,
that's
maybe
new for me.
with your spouse. I mean, or just,
I am going to get the candle recipe from you. कि बनती कैसे candle? मुझे क्या पता?
Yeah, use beeswax, use soy wax. You know, they're great for your skin. They're great for inhalation as well. And yeah, so that's one thing I've tried. This another thing that's up, like, you know, on my list right now, that is painting. I never had confidence to paint. So I'm just going to see and try my luck at it. I'll send you a picture, Farah.
बिल्कुल. Please share that picture. Okay, so before हम आगे चलें, हम थोड़े से पहले देख लें. एक तो मंतहा, people are saying कि please थोड़ा हम उर्दू में जरा ज़्यादा रखेंगे. We'll try. कि थोड़ा सा हम उर्दू अपने ज़्यादा रखें. हमें खुद gentle reminders चाहिए होते हैं. Instead of adding lemon, okay. The question है एक का मोबी का, मंतहा, what can we do instead of adding lemon in water to start my day? Acidic ingredients don't suit him.
Okay, so don't go for lemon at all. There are lots of other ingredients and other nutrients like coconut oil, avocados, you know, black pepper, which is like great to open your day with. You know, if you don't want to do it, that's fine. Keep turmeric is great. Avocados are great. Turmerics have a great pH level. Have a lot of water, warm water, just warm water with ginger and a little bit of honey. That works if you can't do lemon. There are lots of options.
Yeah. Okay.
Body perfect. But for vitamin C, like lemon is a great source as well. But if you can't take lemon, then there are other options like oranges. You can always opt for oranges. You can opt for strawberries, and I mean, we have watermelon now, so you'd be good if you use
actual watermelon hai. I know because watermelon का season है. तो अच्छा, okay. मंतहा, हम आगे, इससे पहले कि हम आगे चलें, okay, thank you. He's saying thank you for the answer. Okay, so मुझे watermelon के साथ अगर तुम कोई हमें एक quick recipe अपनी बताओ, but literally तुम बोलो कि ऐसे बनती है. What's your best way to use watermelon other than the watermelon juice, and वो किसी salad में किस तरीके से और क्या कर सकते हैं? कोई quick recipe बता सकती हो?
Okay, yeah. What you need is a 1.5 cup rocket, okay? And you need 2 cups of watermelon, okay? And you need a little bit of parsley on top. You need some honey candied pine nuts instead of walnuts. Just put some pine nuts and roast them on the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of honey, let them simmer in it, and it'll be ready. You know, so you don't need to even add any kind of sweetener to it or anything to your salad. And then I want you to mix all that up. You know, you can top with about 4 leaves of basil. Add the honey candied pine nuts. Add some feta. You are allergic to feta cheese, if you want to keep it low caloric, then for cottage or ricotta. My personal favorite is ricotta because it just gives the right add like dried parsley on top ricotta so that it gives the feta cheese feel. For the dressing, go for freshly squeezed orange juice, half cup, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinaigrette, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin or extra light olive oil. Mix it up. If you want a little bit, if you love sesame seeds, you can alternate, like, you know, your olive oil with sesame seed oil. That also takes tastes great with watermelon. So yeah,
Okay.
so enjoy your watermelon salad.
Wow. Okay, so cheese अगर हमारे पास cottage cheese because आजकल वही है कि you know सब groceries इतना नहीं जा रहे हैं करने के लिए, so you know people are not going out for their grocery, बल्कि जो basic needs हैं उस पे हैं. So अगर cheese नहीं है जैसे कि मेरे पास इस वक्त, but I have all the other stuff. I have the rocket leaf because I'm growing them in my own garden. So but I don't have rocket and the ricotta cheese or cottage cheese. तो मैं और उसको किसी चीज के साथ alternate कर सकती हूँ.
Do you have tofu? No.
आजकल नहीं है.
Eggs? Do you have eggs?
Huh?
Do you have
Yes.
eggs? Okay,
Yes.
so take the yolk out, all right, and just
Okay.
slice a boiled egg and add it to your salad. You'll get your protein boost.
Oh, perfect. ये
Yeah.
हुई ना बात.
So the idea of a healthy salad is you balance the macronutrients in it. So we've
Yeah.
got the feel good green antioxidants through rocket, and they are like good leaf carbs, but the absolutely low in carb. You know, I mean that's
Yeah.
a good carb for you. And then you've got your watermelon. It's low in GI glycemic index, which is absolutely no sugar. Pineapple, good fat, and honey, good carb, and it's immunity boosting. So, and then with the egg whites, you get to have a little bit of protein as well. So you're all set. It's a whole
Yeah.
meal.
Awesome. Okay, so एक और चीज जो मेरा भी क्वेश्चन है कि can we like अगर रात को जो खाना है, so can we just alternate, just have a salad as a meal, or you would say no, we should have something salad के साथ कुछ खाना है प्रोटीन, जैसे salad के अंदर तुमने ये तो प्रोटीन कर दिया, but otherwise can we have a salad on its own as a meal, or no, we should not?
No,
Like, of course we can,
that's
but
a very good question, Farah. I actually wanted to talk about this. A lot of people are actually gaining weight during this time, then losing, and
Yes.
it's a perfect
Yeah.
opportunity for you to just you know, concentrate on your health. Like I said, the best way to do this is divide your day into meals, because you have you know, access to food. You have your fridge right here. You're home.
yeah,
You're not out running around with the kids, not out running around for your, like, you know, office visits and meetings. You are at home. You have access to
Yeah.
food. So
Yeah.
it doesn't make sense. You're spending time with family all day long, you know. So no need. Everybody should eat according to their own body clock. Have one meal together where you enjoy your family time, but the rest of the day you go according to your clock that you follow every day, and that includes your meals to keep your body active. Because if you load your body with too much, either in the morning you will want to go back to sleep because your mind is already ready. Oh my god, I have nothing to do, अब मुझे कुछ भी नहीं करना है, अब मैंने खाना खा लिया है, ओके लस्सी का एक ग्लास पीते हैं और चलो लेट्स टेक अ नैप, अभी तो उठे थे आप, नहीं कोई बात नहीं, आई एम फीलिंग टायर्ड. So this is the mindset which just kind of puts you back. Right now you have to adapt to the change. Salad is a great meal on its own. It depends upon its portion size. For instance, strawberry salad that I just suggested is something that you can have as a snack, because the fruit salad with balanced with protein and a little bit of sugar in it through honey, right? With organic. So if you want to make a salad meal, just add a little bit of chicken to it, grilled, and add you know, like add a complex carb on the side. Add quinoa to it, or just like red kidney beans, or you can add or if you're not gluten intolerant, you can put a piece of whole wheat bread on the side. So yes, you can have a salad as a meal, but in our culture, since salad को meal नहीं देखा जाता, उसको एक only like side देखा जाता है, तो इसीलिए मैं suggest कर रही हूँ कि आप जो है इस salad को snack भी ले लें. It will be nutritious enough for you.
Yes, और I think वही है कि दोपहर में आप थोड़ा अपना heavy meal कर लें, जो आपकी जो दिल चाह रहा है, आप थोड़ा सा heavy खाना चाह रहे हैं, आप दोपहर को वो खा लें, and रात को आप थोड़ा सा अपना पोर्शन कम कर ले. बट वही वाली बात है कि मंताब आजकल पोर्शंस भी कम नहीं हो रहे आजकल, बिकॉज आप बैठे हो और मैं इतना ट्राई करती हूँ, और साथ में आई एम इवन वॉकिंग, आई एवरी ट्वाइस लाइक वीक, वंस अ वीक आई लाइक आई एम डूइंग माय ट्रेडमिल आल्सो, अदरवाइज आई गो आउट फॉर माय वॉक. बट आई ट्राई कि मैं किसी तरीके से बैलेंस रखूं, फिर भी मुझे लग रहा है कि आई एम समहाउ गेनिंग. एंड यू आर राइट, ये वो टाइम है कि जिसमें हम लोग सब टोन डाउन और हर चीज में टोन डाउन हो सकते हैं, जिसमें वेट भी है, ठीक है, जिसमें आप सारी चीजें अपनी जो आपने अभी तक खराब की हुई है वो आप ठीक कर सकते हैं. तो फिर भी जाके कहीं ना कहीं आपका वो आ जाता है, एक वो लेवल आ जाता है कि यार छोड़ो.
But don't beat yourself too. You know why? Because I mean it's a change for everybody right now. Take time to get accustomed to this huge change, right?
Yes.
So it's okay if like there are other stresses, and this causes a lot of anxiety as well. तो इसमें अगर आप थोड़ी भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, जैसे फॉर इंस्टेंस इवन विद माय ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, that actually people are working out more in 30 minutes than in the 1 hour because you are concentrating one movement after another. तो अभी जो है अगर if you are eating a little bit more, but you also look at this that your mind is constantly playing, so is your because takes up either it is you stress which is positive or it's negative. That is still going live online. The fact that you're still trying to eat good. Yes, up and down hota hai. Give yourself that much room.
Yes.
It always it's with everybody. But as long as you are aware that you did something wrong, and you can burn
I'm
it
always aware what I do wrong. फिर भी मैं कर लेती हूँ. अच्छा ओके, बिफोर वी गो फर्दर मंता, मैं एक क्वेश्चन भी लेने लगी हूँ. अगर तुम थोड़ा सा अपना राइट पे हो ताकि जो पीछे तुमसे लाइट आ रही है ना वो, हाँ परफेक्ट. नाउ आई सी द लवली प्लांट एंड यू. बिकॉज ये लाइट जो आ रही थी ना वो बहुत वो ब्लर ऐसे साइन आ रहे हैं. हाँ
ओके, सो
नाउ दिस इज बेटर नाउ, बिकॉज वो लाइट वो आ रही थी. ओके, ये मुझे okay, so Rabia is asking, share a healthy brownie recipe. Is there a healthy brownie recipe?
Yes, there is. I mean, what kind of? I'll give you one recipe real fast. Okay, so use like 1.5 cup of almond flour, and use either 2 tablespoons of stevia.
Okay.
And or 3 tablespoons of honey. Okay. And this is for sweetening it. Okay. Then you need to melt dark chocolate. I love the 70% Lindt, and then there is another one which is like organics. That's like real dark chocolate. वो use कर सकते हैं, या कौन सा भी आप 70% dark मेल्ट कर दें और मेल्ट माइक्रोवेव में प्लीज कीजिए. यू हैव टू मेल्ट इट. वो जो वाटर बॉईल करके बीच में यूटेंसिल डाल के इसमें आप अपना चॉकलेट डाल के एंड ऑटोमेटिकली यूज दैट चॉकलेट. ओके, बटर के जगह पे आप आप जो है वो आमंड बटर यूज कर लें या कैशू बटर यूज कर लें. और अगर बटर अभी इस वक्त आमंड और कैशू बटर अवेलेबल नहीं है आपके पास, तो यूज लाइक ऑर्गेनिक बटर, एनी काइंड ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक बटर यू हैव.
और मार्जरीन नो,
यूज एवोकाडो. अगर आपके पास एवोकाडो है उसको भी आप यूज कर सकते हो फॉर दैट गुड फैट. ऑलराइट, सो एंड यस, add 2 large eggs to the whole mixture. So just keep like you've got your baking soda 1 teaspoon, and then you've got your baking powder also 1/2 teaspoon. So mix everything up with a little pinch of salt, a little pinch of cinnamon. Choose your own. With some people like hazelnuts in their brownies. People like walnuts in their brownies. You can roast either of them and use them in the in the whole mixture. But remember, first you're going to blend everything. Keep the dry portion aside and your wet side, which includes your eggs, your butter, your sugar, honey, whatever. Once you mix it up, just fold both the mixture. Sieve the flour first, fold both the mixtures, set it up in a cooking 8x8 or 8x9 non-stick pan, and just bake at 175 for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it's all set. But make sure that you refrigerate it as well, because I like it a little cold. So this brownie, you would have to mix the chocolate in the brownie. Like when you melt the chocolate, don't mix it with the
Oh.
mixer. So it's like really, really good.
Okay, so end में you do the mixing. Okay, so tell me one thing. You even added तुमने बोला baking powder and soda. दोनों चीजें. Isn't it one?
Yes. You can, because you see, you are not adding any rising flour to it. All right, so you can add baking powder, but still you can either add, if you want to keep the quantity of baking powder or baking soda low, because you don't want to use a lot of additives or preservatives in your recipe, then what you could do is that instead of using one full teaspoon of baking soda, you can do half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of powder. And that way, yeah, but you need both.
You need both. Oh wow! I'm going to make this. Seriously, I'm gonna record this and make it, and फिर मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगी कैसी बनेगी. और dark chocolate के नाम से मुझे कुछ हो रहा है, excitement हो रही है.
And you know, dark chocolate की बहुत बुरी reputation है. It's actually very good for you.
I love it. Okay, so Rabia herself is asking. She's asking, can we use cocoa powder instead of dark chocolate? अगर नहीं है dark chocolate तो?
Of course you can. You can use cocoa powder. Use 1.5 teaspoon or as much as you like.
Okay.
But don't make it too much. Like don't do more than 2 teaspoons because it gets very bitter. But I would prefer that for this recipe, since it's a healthy brownie, I would rather that you don't use cocoa powder, because a lot of these cocoa powders have additives to it. Use your own like dark chocolate bar. You know.
Yeah, Mantaha is all about के बस अपनी चीजें use करो, मत use करो वो. Yeah, good. Yeah, we will try this. Okay, so Pinky Durrani is saying hello to you, and she's saying, how is it going for you? Who never has time. How are you doing? Good, enjoying this time and giving yourself a break. Yes, so she is saying hello to you. So Manta, मुझे ये बताओ कि तुम्हारा बाकी सब तो routine and everything, you're cooking, you're doing your activities. So are you also, तुम भी अपने दोस्तों से on house party and Zoom बातें कर रही हो? What's उस तरीके से? How are you connecting with your friends these days? Are you an outside person? Like, are you a social like?
Well, you know, Farah, I have changed quite a lot, you know, in some ways. And but I have used this time to spend with myself, because I have given so much time to people around me, and it has. I feel that now it's time to self-reflect and see what I need mentally, and because I'm a creative person. So time I have used not only to connect, I've used it to connect with family more. Then of course with some friends who are close to me, but you know, my brothers are abroad, they are also not out. So I'm using this time to connect with my family, and I've realized that family comes first, you know, and always there. Friends are there as well. I mean, good friends are like family, so they're just, I mean, in the same line. Baki, I'm using most of this time to self-reflect and to kind of create more into my work.
Good. So have you also, तुमने भी वो किया हुआ है कि जाके एक दिन अलमारी साफ करो, एक दिन दराज साफ करो, just reflect, declutter, and try to reset in that way, in the cleaning point of view, say.
Yeah, whereas home is concerned, yes, but it automatically declutters your mind also, because you feel a little organized and cleaner, and you're on time. And I'm also decluttering my head. You know, there are lots of like unimportant things that are always given priority. You know, this event has really shaken people up, and now we know what is important and what is not important. You know, there are things that are going to lie in your cupboard forever, and you won't be using it. What means to you is your health, which should come number one. Your mental peace and your health. You know, so everything else is great as well. I mean, like, everybody wants a spring wardrobe, a nice new color, and you know, all that is all there. But yes, you know, you need a good body to put it on, and I think it's time to declutter your head and your surroundings, as well as declutter your body of toxins.
Sure. And so, Manta, मुझे बताओ कि what's your ideal work environment for you?
An ideal work environment, a
Yeah.
lot of music, good
A lot of
lighting.
music, of course.
Yes, a lot of
Yeah.
music, good lighting, like a little bit of color, not a lot,
Okay.
and a lot of stability balls used as chairs, not
Okay.
chairs themselves, and
Uh,
I mean walls where people could just get up and like do push-ups, or after every 20 minutes on the desk. I mean, the
Hmm.
ideal environment should actually involve everything to do with your health. A little smoothie bar with serving good smoothies to boost your mental health and mental focus. So yeah,
Wow.
that's the ideal place to work.
Wow, Manta. अभी I can just picture it all और मैं कह रही हूँ कि अच्छा बस ऐसे आप किसी उसमें spa resort में जा रहे हैं आप बस अपने बिल्कुल. So wow,
देखा ना?
this is awesome. Yeah, I'm actually thinking of that, and the way you were telling me, तो वो और मैं उस mode में जा रही थी, and of course, like what's better than that? Okay, so अब दो I think कुछ questions आए हैं नीचे. मंतहा आप YouTube का चैनल बनाएं और एक्सरसाइज बताएं प्लीज करने के लिए. बहुत से लोग आपकी क्लासेस अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. So what do you want to say to her? This is Natasha.
Hi, Natasha. Well, guess what? I already have a YouTube channel and I have my exercises on it. So check it out. It's Mantaha Aithareen and I'm on YouTube. I have added a couple of recipes free of charge. You can subscribe to it. I'm going to be adding, just tomorrow a workout routine to torch fat in just 20 minutes. So just keep tuned to the channel. And another thing is that my online classes, I have reduced charges to below average. So you can contact me or DM me and I'll give you my price list. It's going to be completely affordable for a lot of people. Now you can catch me online. In fact, I'm doing online classes for my current clients, and if you want a demo, and you could do that as well. Just join us for an online class. How you feel, but DM me and I'll give you all the details.
Thank you. Okay, so this person's asking कि what is the alternative to nuts? अगर कोई allergic है nuts से or they can't have nuts, तो nuts का alternate बताओ.
Nut oil, avocado oil, olive oil. You can have that. You can have almond. If you're allergic to nuts, you can't have almonds, but you can have cheese. Cheese is great fat. Cottage cheese is great. Have cottage cheese. Have the cottage cheese. So yeah, I mean, there's cheese, there's oil, there's good oils, there's avocados. I mean, all these stuff is great for you. And butter, वो वाला जो processed now. I'm not against butter, but जो processed नहीं हो. अगर आपको फिर भी, if you don't want to use butter, you can also use ghee, but only in moderation, because this thing of like how everybody comes up with different researches and thing, but having a lot of ghee, unlike what is said, is just going to you're going to end up gaining more weight. If you are having ghee, then make sure that it's in moderation.
Okay, so okay, he's saying okay, I will use home butter and I will use cheese. Okay, thank you, Manta. Okay, Manta, somebody is asking if you have any. Shazia is asking कि कोई good fish baked recipe है तुम्हारी कोई easy?
Yes. Okay. Well, do you want me to say it now? Why don't you just check out my YouTube channel? Do you want me to say it now?
Okay, agar if it's just about 3-4 ingredients and you can, why not? Otherwise we can, if it's a long process wali, then maybe we can look it up at your YouTube channel.
No, I'll just give it
Thoda
to you now.
Thoda bata do. Yes, please.
Okay, just take 4 ounce deboned fish, red snapper. You want a recipe for red snapper or salmon?
It's a baked fish recipe they're asking. It can be.
Should I go for red snapper because it's वो हर
Sure.
जगह मिल जाती है.
ठीक है.
Salmon is a little tough to get और अभी आजकल तो और मुश्किल होगा. तो
Yeah.
आप 4 ounce जो है वो red snapper लीजिए. उसमें जो है आप a little bit balsamic vinaigrette, crushed red chili powder, वो डालें, a little bit of oil, some Himalayan salt, some basil leaves. ये डाल के लेमन के साथ आप मैरिनेट करने के लिए रखते हैं. अगर आप एक और बात, if you want to use garlic, fresh garlic, use at least 1 tablespoon of fresh garlic and then marinate it. If you don't like the smell of too much garlic, then आप garlic powder भी use कर सकते हैं, जो भी convenient हो. और उसमें जो आप थोड़ी सी अगर रोज़मेरी भी डाल दें, it's a herb, so it can like really smell great while you're baking it. ठीक है?
Okay.
So marinate it for 30 minutes, and then when you're baking it, put a little bit of aluminum foil on a pan. Place the fish on top, and then 1 teaspoon आपने पहले add किया marinate. 1 teaspoon आप drizzle कर देंगे ऊपर ताकि वो नीचे से चिपके नहीं. सही है? And then you can just like go ahead and bake it. If you want to add a little bit of more crust to the whole chicken, you can add then you can add a little bit of parmesan. This grated parmesan cheese on top, and then you can put it in the oven. It will give you a good crust.
And इसकी baking time कितना है?
फिश जनरली बहुत जल्दी बेक हो जाती है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन के आपके ओवन का क्या टेम्परेचर है. किसी के 150 लोएस्ट होता है, किसी का 120 डिग्रीज लोएस्ट होता है. तो जस्ट कीप इट एट 150 एंड कीप चेकिंग आफ्टर एवरी 5 minutes.
All right. Okay. All right. This seems very yummy. Okay. Somebody was asking what's rosemary. It's rosemary that you're saying. Oh, I think unko rosemary laga. Okay. And is this okay for whitefish also? You can use it with either.
Red snapper is a white fish, and it's not. It's rosemary, please.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. This Chirpy Sarah is saying, hey, it's been 20 days I've been working out and in calorie deficit too, taking care of my macros and enough protein too, and I've lost 1 kg. Wow. What could be the reason, please guide? Oh, enough, but I've only lost 1 kg. But that's also good, but maybe you can tell them. What's the reason for that?
No. She said, I'm sorry, I didn't hear the first part of the whole thing. I just said yes, she lost 1 kg.
All right, yeah. Can you read it? तुम्हें नजर आ रहे हैं comments?
एक मिनट, I just
Whitefish के बाद
it's Sarah,
Chirpy
right?
Sarah. Yeah.
Okay, so hi, it's been 20 days I've been working out and in calorie deficit too, taking care of my macros and enough protein too, but I've only lost 1 kg. What could be the reason? Please guide. Okay, Sarah, there could be various reasons for it. Okay, 20 days means more than two weeks for you. I don't know if you are going into more of a calorie deficit than required because your body is holding on to fat, or you are or it's water retention. So I also need to check your medical activity. I don't know what age you are. I have to check you for if you have a thyroid or a insulin resistance issue. So all these things need to be counted before you step into any kind of diet plan. Secondly, like a lot of people think that just having a lot of protein and cutting down carbs will help them lose weight, but actually, like, you know, it depends upon your blood group and also the time that you're going ahead with that plan. Remember that whatever plan that you do, if they are short-lived, there's no use. So do things that you have to continue. You cannot stay without carbs, whether you're traveling, whether you're here. So your body has to get used to a little bit of carbs in one way or another. Otherwise, if you introduce carbs to your body immediately, you will bloat and you will gain weight. So don't do that. Secondly, just like I said, I don't know what kind of workouts are you doing. I mean, are you doing enough strength training? Are you doing enough cardio, or you're doing too much cardio, which is stress system, and that is not making you lose weight. So there are a lot of factors here that I could come up with. So it's a whole consultation which requires time. I cannot tell you why you just lost 1 kg with that. I understand it's a frustrated situation, but unless I don't have complete information, I cannot advise like that.
Yes, totally. Yeah, true. Actually, yeah. So I hope, Sirpi Sarah, you've got a little bit of your reply. She's okay. She is. I'm just 28 and I have no medical issues. I do cycling and strength training. 30 minutes cardio, 20 minutes strength. I think I'm not too sure. Maybe elaborate. Maybe she can inbox you, or you can have a chat with her, because she's telling all these things. Tum niche pad rahi ho na?
Yes, you can either email me your situation, or you can DM me at info@mantaha.com. You can also DM me Mantaha Official. You can follow me on that page for the latest workouts and also details on plateau issues like you guys are saying. So guys can do that, and I'll get back to you.
Bilkul. Okay, somebody is asking about acne. What is pimple ke liye kya karna chahiye, and face exercise for double chin and enhancing jawline. Do we have anything like that?
Okay. So what was the first question, Farah? I'm sorry.
चेहरे के pimple के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? Acne.
Okay, so I don't know if you are between 13 to 18 years old. Having pimples is natural, and this is because of our hormonal change. But if you are above 23 years old and you are still getting pimples, then we have to see when are you getting it. Just right before your menstrual cycle, right after your menstrual cycle. Is it during PMS you get your pimples, or is it generally you break out? You break out from a problem, or is it because you have a syndrome like a PCOS, which actually gives you
breakout for them. But if I'm not wrong, this is Maz Farooq. So he's the guy, I think he's asking.
Okay, all right. So I'm sorry, I didn't know who the question was from.
That's okay.
Because so whenever you go through any kind of hormonal changes, whether it's a man or a woman, you will get your skin will break out. Your skin is the first organ which shows any kind of changes that are happening inside your body. Even if there's an allergy, you can feel a little scratch. So yes, there's a hormonal imbalance that's going on, and that can be due to stress. I mean, or that can be because lack of physical activity. You need to sweat a little bit more so that you release more toxins out of your system. And avoid fatty foods and wash your face regularly. Make sure that if you have oily skin, you're using the right product for that, and use a toner which is alcohol based, just so that your pores you can close them. And if not, then just use a little bit of your cucumber. That will help you smooth out your skin as well.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you. Okay, so इससे पहले कि हम थोड़ा इसको बंद करें, you are conducting online. Yes, she is conducting online classes. Somebody was asking. Okay, pimples. I do. Okay. Same as this Maz is saying, I have pimples because I do smoking and because I'm not married. So okay, sorry. Okay, I better not read that. I don't know why people are. Please, everybody, please write in your comments. Please be sensible. आप लोग क्या लिख रहे होते हैं? किसके लिए लिख रहे होते हैं? People have no thing. Okay, so I am. What we
it's okay, Farah, don't worry about it.
I was just reading and I was like, oh, okay. So before I wrap it up, I have a few would you rathers for you. So let's do a little bit of fun, and questions को हम अभी छोड़ देते हैं because लोग थोड़े से ज़रा वो हो रहे हैं. Okay, so Mantaha, tell me one thing. Would you rather go for a lace top or a lace skirt?
A lace top or a lace skirt? Well, if I'll go for the lace skirt, then I want a lace top with it. It depends, you know.
Okay.
And if otherwise, if I have a choice between a lace skirt or a lace top, I think I would go for the lace top because it's versatile. You can wear it with
Okay.
jeans, you can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it in different forms.
Wow, okay. So अब आप मुझे एक बताएंगे would you rather है ये, ठीक है? अब no Wi-Fi or no music? Would you rather have no Wi-Fi or would you rather have no music?
Well, I need Wi-Fi for my choice of music because these days that's only I use YouTube or I have a SoundCloud or
Yeah.
that's all like on on Wi-Fi. But if I have a choice between the two, I would go for the music.
The
I need
music.
the
Okay. Okay. Would you you rather would you get up early or skip up breakfast and wake up late on weekends?
I would wake up late on weekends and skip breakfast.
Oh,
Honestly.
okay.
It's my
okay.
it's my cheat day.
Cheat day. Rihanna or Beyonce?
Beyonce.
Beyonce. Okay. So red lips or nude?
It depends upon what eyes I'm doing. If I'm going for smoky eyes, then yes, nude. If I'm not doing anything to my eyes, I'll go a little dark on my lips.
Okay.
But sometimes it's time to brighten up your lips.
Yes. Yes.
I love
Dewy
these
makeup.
questions.
Dewy makeup or matte?
Dewy makeup,
Okay. Mascara or extensions?
mascara,
Blush or bronzer?
bronzer,
Okay. So are you a concealer person or a foundation?
concealer,
Concealer. Shaped eyebrows or made up? Like shaped like that properly or you just brush them out?
as you can see, I just brush them out. I literally don't do much to my eyebrows. Stay bushy.
Okay. Short hair or
So
long hair?
I'm safe during this quarantine because I'm
Yeah.
not like.
Tell me about
look at
it.
this. Yeah, I mean, I try to put my own nail color, which is getting flipped off. I mean, like, oh god.
Oh my god. Okay, tell me short hair or long hair?
Long hair.
Long hair. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I think
I
we're
regret
done with
cutting
these.
mine.
हाँ. So और क्या क्या मुझे ये बताओ कि nail color खुद लगाए. Are you a salon person? You go out to, like you used to go salon जाती थी?
जाती थी, but I used to hate it. मैं इतनी देर बैठे हो आप, वो हो रहा है. Instead of relaxing, because I don't have much time in a day. You know, so I go for 2 hours and उस वक्त I have to do everything. So I would feel that it's more of a stress than relaxation. I don't understand how can salon be relaxation because, you know, I have to
Because there's so
move.
much happening. Yeah, totally. Okay. So chalo, I think we're gonna wrap it up, Mantaha. And yeah, everybody's
Thank you
giving
so
you
much,
lots of
Farah, for
love,
having me.
and yeah, everybody's giving you lots of love and duas and
Thank you.
prayers. And people are asking about your online classes. I think मैं बाद में maybe we can do a post and with your online, I can give them the link. And
Sure.
और जो तुमने जो 2-3 recipes भी share की हैं, वो भी मैं separately तुमसे लेके and or maybe I'll do the video of that also, and then we can cook. Maybe one day we can cook together also on live.
Sure.
Yeah,
Anytime.
let's try
Farah.
doing that.
I'm just a
Take
call
it.
away.
I know that. Thank you, Manta. Thank you so much for your time.
Farah. Thank you
All
for
the
having
best.
me. Take care.
Thank you. Okay. Take care. Okay. Bye.